in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully recover or get back tool options that are missing in your toolbox on GIMP. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left side underneath Interface, you want to select where it says Toolbox and just make sure Use Tool Groups is checkmarked. And then you may want to make sure the appearance is showing an active image as well as the active brush pattern and gradient if perhaps they are missing here. And if you scroll down underneath Tools Configuration, make sure that it's visible. So if there's no icon next to it, make sure you have a little eyeball basically. That means that it will appear up in the toolbox. So if you're missing any of these tools, they should hopefully be here and you can just re-enable them and then select OK to confirm. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.